in ODI cricket. His fourth against England. Of course, lots of Sri Lankan batters, they love playing here. They know these conditions. Beautifully played. Shot it wide. And he gets a ball. That's a well. Sweeps and sweeps it well. Shot in the boundary.